The MSF program is built on the cohort model. We try to balance them out between, the finance majors, the engineering majors, the arts and letters majors, their work experience, age range, and what we find is we may have some students that are stronger in some classes than the others, but it's an opportunity for students in that cohort model to develop their own leadership skills.
So a lot of the MSF program is based off of the CFA guidelines. They've done a really great job of weaving in the guidelines and additional learning experiences and tying different courses to curriculums that the CFA Institute mandates for your level 1, 2, and 3 exams.
Our campus in downtown Chicago lends itself to being in a large urban area. You have many businesses, many companies, and about 75% of our student body comes from the tri-state region. And I think as you're looking to invest in yourself, you want to think about an institution that lends itself to that has that national reputation, that national brand. And you're investing in yourself. At the end of the day, I tell our students every day, this is an investment in you.